What's happening, kids? We're at it again. It's time to test a welder. Don't miss it. That's right. Chad, speech shut, almost fell down. We are going to check out another welder from our friends at SEFASPE. Yeah. They sent me an email like, hey, you want to try another welder? I was like, you betcha. Now if I can find my knife. It's over here. All right, this one's a little different than the last one, but a little bit of the same. It is a stick welder. This one happens to be the MMA-205SE. I'll put up. This knife is about as dull as a cat. I know. All right. We've got our singer and the we don't need that. We don't need that. We got a better one, don't we? Now, this one is also a guy like that. One knob, still 220 and 110. We're going to be doing it on the 110 because it's just right there. Oh, yep. And it comes, of course, with the user manual, welding rod, and then it's got the mask. We don't need that. We got a helmet, right? These are pretty darn cool that they send these to us to check out. I've got just a hunk of metal. We're going to try to fill this up right there, right like that. All right, let me get it ready. Make sure you don't just throw stuff around your shop like that. Don't do that. It's not good. I had the manual. We're going to talk about it. All right, user manual. So it says, don't, a lot of stuff to be safe, what you don't do. Of course, you're going to want to have a welding hood, gloves, that stuff, right? Right? Okay. Now, it tells you, of course, how to hook it up. Operating functions. Very easy. Very easy to do. Now, we all know that our SEFASPE friends have sent us some pretty darn cool stuff, haven't they? Yeah. Of course, there'll be description or link in the description. I'll put all sorts of stuff up. You know I do it. All right, so I dropped these. Now you might say to yourself, Chad, are you gonna be ready for this? Yeah, remember I practiced last time. So I'm gonna get you over there. We're gonna do stuff right here. The rod we're gonna use is the 6013. So right here. So you can pick these up, local places, or order them, or however you want to do it. I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna get suited up. We'll bring you back in. Some things you're gonna want to do. Number one, of course, gloves, long sleeves, hood, right? Right. And then we're gonna turn that on. Now, of course, it's the one knob again, right? And it goes all the way up to 205 amps and down to 30. See that? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stick it right, we're gonna put it right about, I don't know, let's try 60. We're gonna just kind of, right? We're gonna turn on the exhaust fan. It'll help with the smoke. Put on your welding gloves. Got your ground clamp. All right, we're set. So 60 amps. Welding. Yeah, we're learning. All right, let's get it cleaned up, see how we did. All right, we did the little, what do we call that then? Chopping? Yeah. Now, remember, still learning. So, it's there. Let's try it again. All right, this time, turn it up to 80. Why? Well, because I did, you know? Remember, nice and easy, just like that. Okay, now, what's next? That's right, gloves and a helmet. You guys are super smart out there. I have the smartest fans or channel people ever. That's you. All right, let's see, can we do it again? Maybe better this time, huh? Maybe? Always wear the proper safety gear. All right. Want to get that flag off? good scrub. Hey, that's better, huh? Let's see if we can get that closed up. Just for funzos, huh? Yeah, okay. One more. They do send you 5 rods. And we've used 3 of them. That's all right. Why not, right? Here we go. Clean it up. We're gonna clean that up and we're gonna see how we did. So get it cleaned up, I'll bring you back around and I'll show you what we did. All right, I've said it once, I've said it 47 times. The grinder and paint make me the welder I ain't. All right, so this is what we started off with, like that. Got it there, and then right here. Now, is it perfect? Absolutely not. Am I excited about it? You betcha. Now, let me pause here and we'll bring you back in and we'll see what we learned, huh? I will tell you what. These SEFASPE welders, they're little, but man, they do a good job. I really, really like these machines. They're super easy to set up. They're super easy to use. And for someone, especially like me, who's just learning how to stick weld, why not? Right? Right. So we have the SEFASPE MMA-205 SE. 220, 110. Comes with everything you need. I mean, it's got the little mask and it's got that. Make sure you're using the proper safety gear. Anyway, SEFASPE 205. Yeah, that's on his paint speech approved right there. So don't forget to check out the link, all that cool stuff. Make sure, I mean, you want to get into doing some stick welding? Why not? This is fantastic. So what we learned today is that SEFASPE still killing it. All right. So don't forget to hit that subscribe. Check out SEFASPE. I'll of course have their website and all that, all over the place. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Keep on wrenching, kids.